If you are getting into AI, machine learning, or deep learning in 2026, one of the biggest questions you will face is, should you learn PyTorch or TensorFlow? Both are powerful frameworks used to build AI models, but they serve slightly different needs. In this video, I'll quickly compare them and help you decide which one is right for you. What is PyTorch? PyTorch is an open source machine learning framework developed by Meta. It's known for its simple and Python friendly design, making it easier for beginners and researchers to build, test, and experiment with AI models. Today, PyTorch is the most popular framework in AI research and is widely used for large language models, computer vision, and generative AI projects. Pros: easy to learn and debug, strong community support, preferred for AI research and experimentation, works well with modern AI libraries like Hugging Face. Cons: slightly fewer deployment tools compared to TensorFlow. What is TensorFlow? TensorFlow is an open source framework developed by Google. It is designed for both research and large scale production deployment. TensorFlow offers a complete ecosystem for building, training, and deployment machine learning models across web, mobile, and cloud environments. Pros: excellent production and deployment tools, strong support for mobile and edge devices, integrates well with Google Cloud Services, mature ecosystem. Cons: steeper learning curve and more complex for beginners. PyTorch versus TensorFlow key differences. When it comes to ease of learning, PyTorch wins. For research and AI development, PyTorch is the preferred option for most developers and researchers. For enterprise deployment and production systems, TensorFlow still remains a strong option. If you are interested in working with modern AI technologies such as LLMs, generative AI, and computer vision, you will likely encounter PyTorch more often. Which one should you learn in 2026? For most users, students, beginners, and aspiring AI engineers, PyTorch is the best choice in 2026. It's easier to learn, dominates modern AI research, and is used by many of today's leading AI projects. However, if you are working in a company that already uses Google ecosystem or focuses heavily on production deployment, learning TensorFlow can still be valuable. My recommendation: start with PyTorch, then learn TensorFlow later if your job or projects require it. Conclusion: so PyTorch versus TensorFlow, which should you learn in 2026? For most people, PyTorch offers the fastest path into modern AI development, while TensorFlow remains a powerful option for production-focused applications. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing which framework you are learning or planning to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.